Hey guys, Mr. Bankover here. In this video, we're going to look at the quotient rule for differentiation. So at any point where v is not equal to 0, then the quotient y equals u divided by v of two differentiable functions is also differentiable. And the way the quotient rule is going to work is, again, v can't be 0 because v is on the bottom of our initial fraction. But what we're going to do is take v times the derivative of u minus u times the derivative of v, and we're going to put that all over v squared. So this right here is the quotient rule for finding the derivative of a fraction made up of two different functions. So here we've got this function f of x equals x squared minus 1 over x squared plus 1, and we're going to differentiate that. So the thing that's on top, that's going to be our u function. The thing that's on bottom is going to be our v function. We said that we were going to do v times u prime minus u times v prime, and we're going to put that all over v squared. So the first thing I'm supposed to do is leave my v the same. So that's going to be x squared plus 1, but then I'm supposed to multiply by the derivative of u. Well, if I apply the power rule in here, that derivative is just going to be 2x. Minus, now it says leave u the same, so x squared minus 1, and we're going to multiply by the derivative of v. So again, if we apply the power rule to v, we're going to get 2x, and this is all going to be over v squared. So x squared plus 1 all being squared. Now I'm going to work on cleaning this up by doing my distributive property across the top. So if I take 2x times x squared, I get 2x cubed. If I take 2x times 1, I get plus 2x. And then I'm going to subtract, but I'm going to be really careful because I'm subtracting this entire piece. So I'm going to put my answer for distributing the 2x inside of parentheses. So 2x times x squared is 2x cubed, and then 2x times negative 1 is negative 2x. But now I'm going to take this negative, because I'm subtracting that whole thing, I'm going to take this negative and distribute it through. So that turns this 2x cubed into a negative 2x cubed, and it turns this negative 2x into a positive 2x. Now this is all still over x squared plus 1 squared. It looks like there's some like terms in the numerator that I'm going to be able to combine. I see 2x cubed and negative 2x cubed, so those cancel each other out. I see 2x and another 2x, so I've got 4x on top, and then my denominator is going to be x squared plus 1 squared. We could go through and FOIL out the denominator, but it's not really necessary. So we can just say that our derivative, so f prime of x, is this 4x over x squared plus 1 squared. That's going to be it for this video. Thanks for watching.